Today is the 56th day to Nnamdi Kanu's court case. And I keep on saying, the more Nnamdi Kanu keeps going to that court, the more the government still sees him as a defendant to a crime. And that is why I say the lawyers should immediately hands off that case on the 10th of October if the government does not discharge and acquit Nnamdi Kanu. Immediately, if they don't do that, abandon the case immediately, because like I said, the more you keep on going to court, the more he is perceived as a defendant. But if you hands off that case immediately, let them take him to do whatever they want to do with him. Whatever they feel like, they should defend the case themselves, they should accuse themselves, they should judge the case, they should sentence him themselves. The moment you hands off Nnamdi Kanu's case and dash the government, from that day, Nnamdi Kanu becomes a political prisoner. The burden now fall upon the Nigerian government, and I'm sure then they will be confused as at what to do with Nnamdi Kanu. Because so far, they still feel that we have something to lose. They are just caricaturing him, pinching him here and here. He's going to court, defending himself. They say, yes, he's a criminal. He's coming to court. Look at the world. The world is watching. Can't you see that he's coming to court? Stop going to court. Stop. Stop going to court. So that he becomes a political prisoner 100%. Then the world attention will be stronger. Do you understand? The world's attention will be stronger. Don't you understand what I'm saying? I know you are paid for the job. I know as lawyers you want to go and make some money in the court. I know you want to keep on adjourning. You don't mind. You don't mind. Motoshaw will soon say, adjourned. You people will keep quiet again. Look, let me tell you. On 10th of October, that is the last day. I have people sending me DMs every day on my sending me mails and DMs. How they cannot eat, how they cannot sleep, how they shed tears whenever they see him appear in court. People break down. Yes. That is because Nnamdi Kanu carries the hope of up to 100 million people. Watching him going to court every day is destroying the emotions of Biafrans. And any day Nnamdi Kanu goes to court is any day we all are in that same court with him. Any injury to Nnamdi Kanu is an injury to all of us. That is why you feel it when he's in court. You feel like crying. You feel like crying because it's as if you are the one in that court. That is the truth. So let the court decide whatever they want to do with him. Dash the court, dash Nnamdi Kanu to them. Lawyers, I'm telling you, hands off this case so that it becomes a political case 100%. There should be no defense again after that day if they don't discharge him. No more defense. We don't want. No. It's over. Then they can now defend themselves. They can now accuse him themselves. They can now witness themselves. Whatever they want to do, they should now do. Then let the international body now come and see them trying Kanu without lawyers. Yes. Because they have already been given judgment 6 times. This same government refused to obey. These same courts refused to obey the ruling of another court. Then why are we still obeying this court? Why? There are no more rules again, so everybody should do as they like. There's no more rules. You have already spoiled the rules. 6 judgments. You didn't obey even 1 judgment. You didn't obey 1. Now you're expecting me to keep coming to court? To do what? To do what in court? Ndibo, wake up. Oh. Wake up. Sense. No more courts. No more lawyers. No more. Nothing. That is it. On the 10th is the last day. No more. If they discharge him on that day, fine. If they refuse or adjourn the case to another day, hands off that day. The case ends that day. They have taken so much time from this man. Since March, this new trial started on Motoshaw. This is October. 7 months, no headway. He has betrayed even his words. He has betrayed his own words, his own promise on accelerated trial, which is in the laws of Nigeria. He has not lived up to expectations of it, because by right, this case is supposed to end by March, April, May. Or March, April, or May. This case is supposed to have ended. But we are still on the case. We never know where they go. Whether they will now say that he should start coming to defend himself again, that he refused the no case file, we don't know. Whether he will now discharge him, we don't know. Whether he will postpone again, we don't know. You are on the defense, Kanu Agabi. You are on the defense. It's time to be on the attack. People are just waiting to see what Omotosho wants to do. You are at his beck and call, begging him, begging the judiciary. When you have a right not to defend yourself. We don't want defense. This Nnamdi Kanu defense is over. There is no more defense again. Oh God. Are you not hearing what I'm saying? I say, this case, the defense is over now. It's over. No more defense. It's not by, we don't want lawyer for him again from that tense. Even Kanu himself not defend himself. That the government should take Kanu. Simple. Then he becomes a political prisoner. They should do whatever they want to do with him. Simple. It's happened around the world. It's not the first time. It's happened around the world. It's happened in Russia. It's happened in Europe. It's happened in Africa. It even throws more light to international bodies, because this case people are doing is even blocking, the resolutions from international bodies, because they see it as a case that the court should allow its course. That's how they see it. So they don't want to interfere too much, because they feel this case is sub judice. Because there is a defendant and there are lawyers. So what do you want them to do? You are in court. Pull out of court. Pull out. Pull out of this court and turn this case to international protest. Turn it. They will never defend that. They cannot see it coming. Common sense. Common sense. Because Omotosho is very crafty. On that day, already as I'm talking to you now, he's already making meetings here and there. You are just waiting, you are just believing that he's coming to court that day with his own mindset. But it's not true. They have undergone different phone calls, meetings here and there, and he's not coming on his own accord, because Nnamdi Kanu is not an ordinary, prisoner. He's not. He is a person of interest, POI. There is no way Nigerian judiciary will be independent in his case. Do you understand me? Do you understand me, sir? There is no case Nigerian judiciary will be independent. So you as a lawyer, you need to be smarter. There is only one power above Nigerian, power. International power, international diplomacy. That is where we are now. But this court case you are going is blocking it, because they cannot come in, because it is sub judice. Don't you get? International law states that when a court case is sub judice, it should allow the court to have a say. And Nigeria is using that court case to deceive us, to frustrate him, to mess him up, to caricature him. Then what are you doing? You are following them. You are aligning. Let's keep going. The court will end. Oh God, the court don't end on 10th of August. I cannot stand more than 10th. No way. No way. If they do it again, I've told you, dash can't. What you say, we the lawyers, write it like this. We the lawyers have seen that this case is not going according to plan, the way a court case is supposed to be. And so doing, we are calling upon international bodies to see the injustice going on in Nigeria. And we the lawyers have handed over this case, and we have concluded that this case, it can no longer be defended, and we cannot get justice in Nigeria, because we have already gotten 6 judgments that has not been obeyed till today. Therefore, Kanu's case, we hand over to government to do with him whatever they want to do with him. Finish. Do it at the press conference. Tag UN, tag AU, call all of them. You should come there. After that court, they go home. Kanu, take him back to the dungeon. Leave him like that. Leave him like that. Oh, they are not afraid. I say we don't care. Leave him like that. Leave him like that. Let them know. Let them now do with him what they want to do with him. What kind of nonsense is that? You accuse a man of treason. You have now cancelled treason. You accuse a man of terrorism. You can't prove terrorism. But you are still holding the man till today. Till today. You are holding a man without charges for 4 years straight, 5 years straight, 6 years straight. You, in the court since 15 years, has been in court for 10 years straight. You have not found him guilty. Wicked. See, wickedness. You say Britain is wicked. You see, Nigerian government. Wickedness. Now, food about wickedness. Wickedness. Charging. Try. How can somebody be in prison for 10 years without any accusations? Who does that now? Who does that? Who does that? I have said it before many times. If you have anything on him, any accusation on him that you have proved, send him to jail. I will help you. We will help you as Ndigbo. We don't tolerate nonsense in Igbo land. Send him to prison if you have anything against him. If you don't have anything against him, set him free. In Igbo land, we don't take injustice for nothing. We don't like injustice. It was this injustice that made Ojukwu to stand for his rights. It is that injustice that has put Nigeria to the knees, submitted to his knees. That even ordinary countries like Togo, Burkina Faso are better than this country called Nigeria. Better. Still, they are still stealing money, committing crime, arresting youths for nothing. This country. People are still committing suicide. What we are not known for. People are still suicide in Nigeria because of frustration. The human life is worth nothing in this country. Compassion. Human life is worth nothing. What God will judge is much. But you see that punishment. Now for a lifetime, go see him. For a lifetime, now go see him. All of now. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Let him go to his family. Simple. No court case. After 10th, end this court case. Case closed. After that court case, please lawyers, hands off the case to government. Dash them Nnamdi Kanu. No problem.